of their securing their future and dignity. It's just like a clutch of a straw for the victim, because life is too long. You cannot stick at the one point of your life. So, in terms of your merging with a culprit for the sake of their mutual consent, so it's just like a clutch of a straw. Don't you think that?
So why do we consider a girl who was raped by anyone? Why do we consider them helpless? Why do we think that there is no one who can hold the hand of that girl? Why we don't think that there is nothing changed and the girl was not the culprit? Here we are seeing the girl as a culprit.
No, we are not seeing the girls as a culprit.
So why are you?
As I said, mentioned that there is a proper mutual settlement. Like they had a relationship, and now one person is trying to moving on. That's why this is in that scenario. This is a kind of mutual settlement for the sake of the.
Sir, in a relationship, there is a concern of both persons, na? And why the rape took place? Because the one person's one person was not willing to do that, so that the rape was took place. Now, so if a person can do against the willing of his partner in the past, so he can do anything with her in the future also. So how can we put our future in a risk?
What if they had a previous relationship, okay, and they had maybe 1 or 2 years of relationship, and when a boy successful in their life, or they don't wanna live with this relationship, so maybe girls is going to molest them for the sake of I'm going to file FIR against you if you're not.
So that's why you are putting a point to us actually.
No,
so that's why
I'm highlighting the issue. I'm just putting the light on the fake cases that are going to.
We are discussing about that particular case that has been.
If a mutual settlement,
but we are discussing about the particular case which has been.
We are not in the particular case.
Not
Sir, it took place.
When you are on a struggling phase, you promise 1,000 times.
Okay.
Then after success, why you deny to get married?
If the mutual settlement is here,
mutual consent, but your promise is there.
It is more easy for the. It is easy for the easier for the girl to to put a charge upon that boy that he raped me. But so that in this case, the marriage will take place. But if the mutual settlement is not here, so it is not the easier for the girl. So don't you think that this concept should not be there?
Girls really wanted to create a victim card. Most of the cases in Ahmedabad, there is a IIT aspirant who just under the false charges by a girl, and he's suffering a lot.
Sir, how can you say this is a false charge? When the judgment is not coming,
when the
we first decide this is a false or
when the judge come out, the court find the girl's culprit. But the boy is gone by his life. Why cannot?
Here our debate is on majority percentage. Here the percentage you give an example of particular cases. But sir,
please put your mask down. Okay, sir.
Don't put the exception case. Please put the majority.
A lot of cases, majority of cases.
But this has been an exception. This has been excused, sir. And if this man has committed, sir, if this man has this,
sir, listen me. Exception in a rape,
but sinner can commit a sin in future.
Like what I have said, he hates sin, not sinner. Because in India, most of the things go on with the adjustment. Similarly, the mutual consent, mutual settlement is one of the best option. Why? A victim who is facing criticism by the neighbors, by the relatives, or by other member of their family.
Sir, that
so
means
it's
you
better for her. It's better for her. It's better for her.
Sir, your statement indicate that victim is the culprit.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, Then
they are not
then he
culprit.
goes to
They
a
are
mutual
not
settlement.
culprit. But if
Victim is a culprit and go.
But if
society is forcing on, you go to mutual settlement, then you will not. This is not.
Listen. If a predator is ready to marry with that victim, so what's wrong in it? At least,
sir, there is a provision of punishment also, sir. If somebody has raped someone and he should be punished.
Why Christian?
He should be punished.
I don't know about this topic, sir.
Listen. If a person has committed crime, if a person has committed rape, I do accept he is liable for punishment. But if he is ready to accept that lady,
Only for surviving the punishment, sir.
as a wife, then what's wrong in it?
Only for surviving the
It is
punishment.
wrong because
And what is the guarantee he will never torture her again?
They won't because before the settlement,
Because
listen
he
to
is
me.
getting-
Before the settlement, everything is written. All the consent is written, and it is also warned to that particular person who has committed crime that next time if he is forcing, if he is imposing on you any kind of things, so he will be punished. It is being written.
Why not the first time, sir?
Sir, you
But
selecting
silent
the
judgment
scene.
Why giving second chance to do so?
If you are saying according to the law, we should award punishment to the culprits or the rapists. So can you tell how many things are going on according to the law in a right way?
Sir, according to the law, in right way, there is a 3 stages. Okay.
What?
First, session court, and when you not find the justice, you go to high court, and when you not find the justice, then you go to Supreme Court. Then while you are taking
What happened in UP? What happened in UP after 20 years? He was declared that he was innocent.
Sir, these are the limitations of our law.
121 million
should be-
people.
I
Now
do accept,
131, but you 131 million people
Nahi, who will be the
exercise them.
responsible?
One
Who
is
will-
exception, then
Who
you
will
take the way.
listen. Who will be the answerable for his childhood
Then,
days,
sir,
for
you-
his
Sir,
education
the
days?
judiciary system of India is responsible to this.
So-
why we are not supporting this judicial system?
That's why we are not supporting that system.
That's
Yes, that's why you are not
Responsibility is
supporting
other
the
children, then you
judicial
can.
If I'm marrying,
Sir, you
if
are
a marriage,
not the
if a marriage
investigator of
can
that.
give the life
You
of
only-
any girl once again, then what's wrong in it? If a family members is also agree with this consent.
Justice is so sluggish.
Family members are
When a rapist is going to have a marriage with that particular girl, there is both sides, girl and boy side also, and when they both get agreed, then this marriage can be done.
Sir,
जिस केस में हम ये बात कर रहे हैं उसमें वो जो विक्टिम वो जो कल्प्रिट है he is already married, sir. He is already married. And what is the guarantee? हर भाई
we are not going to take care of
Sir, that's family we agree because
Well,
the
in a specific cases we are talking about. Just a
I
minute.
want logical.
अरे please, logician. In specific cases we are talking about. We are talking about getting the cases where our girl is not married, where our girl is not minor. Karina, she is major and she is unmarried, and Karina had both been in a previous relationship, so they were prior to each other. We are not talking about the unfamiliar people here. These are some specific cases where we seek some mutual reconciliation between them, right? Yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah. Your question, please.